Pause.
There you go.
Already done? All right. Hey, Darren Garman here. Along with me is Jason Rogers.
Hi.
And one of the things that we do, and this is really something that is for accredited investors. And this is, I guess, a message for accredited investors. And what an accredited investor is, just to give you an idea, is it's someone that averages over the last few years an income of $200,000 or more, or has a net worth of $1 million. So that's like the broad definition. And so if that's you, one of the things that you will have an interest in, I think, is our private investment funds. You know, about once to probably 2 to 3 times a year, actually, we pool investors' money together in private funds, and our job is to go out and find great apartment and commercial investment properties here in the heartland of America. And I want to tell you, we've been doing this now going on 5 years, and our track record has been exceptional in this regard. Great apartment or commercial investment properties, predictable cash flows, low risk. Those are the kind of properties that we're looking for and that we get our members involved in that do invest in private funds with us.
Yeah, one of the best parts about the funds is, again, it's done for you, which is great. You can take advantage of that and still receive all the active benefits of owning the real estate as well here in the heartland. The other great thing about it is economies of scale. We don't talk about that enough. With the fund, we're not purchasing 4, 6, 8, or even 12 units. We're out there looking for large volume, large multifamily complexes, as well as large commercial properties. And what this does is obviously adds to our bottom line, makes the properties more profitable, and again, it helps the economies of scale ultimately.
Yeah, I mean, that's a good point. And through that, what happens is really some really great benefits. Of course, we talked about the cash flow and returns. They're very, very good.
Right.
You know, we're in either single digits or double digits, sometimes really high double-digit returns with some of our properties. So those go really well, and they go so well that we don't require any capital calls through our private funds. So a lot of times when you invest in real estate, you have to put your own money in over and over and over again. Here, you're not going to have that. You're not going to have a capital call. So that's really nice, and that really kind of goes back to the predictable income that the heartland of America real estate here really provides.
Great. That sounds like a great opportunity.
Well, what I want to mention to you is if you're interested in getting involved in our private funds at some point in time, right below you here, there's information, and there's a way for you to request more information. So go ahead and do that, and we'll look forward to getting that information fired off to you.
Sounds great. Check it out.
All right.